Hello everybody, how's it going? This is a Midwest fan collector here with another fan video, and today I'll be showing you this cute little 2-speed Lakewood box fan. I picked this up at an antique store in, I believe, Springfield, Ohio, on our way to the Pennsylvania fan meet. Paid 35 bucks for this fan, which I think I got a really good deal on it. This thing's like brand new. It don't even look like it's ever been used. Matter of fact, I've been looking for this fan for a while now, the smaller 2-speed version. I have the 3-speed version of this. It's in kind of rush shape. This one's pretty mint though. It's even got the stand. Even the cord's in really good shape too. Show you the back of the fan. Motor's in good shape. So whoever had this fan definitely took care of it. Alright folks, we'll start it off on low. It's got a nice low speed. Alright, now we'll go to high. Does pretty good on high. Alright folks, I hope you enjoyed this video, and as always, more to come later. God bless.